one clearly captured the imagination of our audience today, and brought you the first prize, as it were, today. But Emma, you know, this is great in times where we're struggling a little bit with money, and we want to save money, and we want to look at the environment. It's really top drawer, isn't it?
Absolutely, it's a simple product. It's a product that everybody can say, that's the kind of thing I need, and that's the kind of product everybody should look for. Where people in the audience say, I want one of those, where can I buy it? So I love its simplicity, and of course what you're going to get now on the back of this is lots of profiles, so you can go and tell more people about the product, so congratulations.
Thank you very much, Susie. Thank you, Emma, and thank you to everyone out here. We've been doing this for over a year. We've all been on negative salary for a year, so it's fantastic. We've actually come to market, get so many people come to our stand, and you know, the world's our oyster, and we're going to start exporting and creating jobs in this country as well.
And I personally love it because it's British. I think that's really superb. So Store 4 Loftstone, congratulations, and thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for coming and voting.